Okay, so we have our navigation on. Don't want it north up, want it heading up. And we are going to try this intersection with navigation going through the intersection because that is what you guys have wanted to see. So here we go. We're gonna drop it down to 45 because that is the speed limit. And we are getting ready to enter. Which way are we gonna go? Which way are we gonna go? No.
No difference.
No difference. Oh, there's a Model X right there, though. It's a nice little blue one. So we did actually have navigation on. I guess we'll just keep trying it and let you guys know when it starts working. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Definitely drop a thumbs up. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. Here for some other videos, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Hola, hola. La 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 la.